Yo, what's up good people? My name is Tatenda and welcome to my channel where I talk about gold, farming, timber, you name it. Any business that I've done in Zimbabwe, I probably made a video about it where I talk and share all the information that I know for you guys so that whenever you're starting or thinking about starting, you can have a better platform than I did. Because one thing I've noticed about starting businesses in Zimbabwe is information can be very difficult to find. So I'm here as a solution for you guys so that I can help you become better business people within Zimbabwe. So if business is something that interests you, I would urge you to like and subscribe to this channel because I've got loads of videos that talk about the various businesses I've been involved in over the last 10 years. So that's a lot of knowledge, and information in Zimbabwe can be difficult to find. But look no further. I'm here for you guys. And until the next video, see you again.